Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. My name is Hemant Patel and I'm from Gujarat. So today guys I am here to speak about our national festival. I hope you like my speech and video. So let's start. We have two national festivals. One is 15th August Independence Day and second is Republic Day. We celebrate every year these festivals, and we are very proud to celebrate these festivals. But today guys I am here to speak about Republic Day. Our new constitution of free India was adopted on 26 January 1950. Thus India became a republic on that day, so we celebrate it as a Republic Day. It is a national festival. It is a public holiday on this day. We celebrate Republic Day with great joy and fervor. Our Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag in Delhi. After that, national anthem plays. There is a march past by armed forces, and there is a long procession of floats from different state. School children present a variety of drills and dances on the ground of Delhi. All schools and colleges of India celebrate this day with great happiness. We feel proud on this day. Thousands of people gather to see the Republic Day parade in Delhi. We can see that parade on TV. All top buildings and others government offices uh, are decorated with colorful lights on this day. So Republic Day is very special for every Indian, and we feel very proud of this day. This year I celebrated this day in my school, and we invited the great Diamond King, Lavji Badshah, and he is very humble, he is very down to earth. He came to my school, and Lavji Badshah donated 2 lakhs rupees for my school. So we are very happy this year, and I am very proud to be an Indian. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Jai Hind. Thank you.